is the Jingle Bell bar here at Oceans. Look how nice they did it. Isn't that really cool? Conan, I put in the ticket for 110. They're gonna play a 255 bet a little bit. Maybe I could get something with Conan. I may not go too far. Boy, I didn't get nothing. Holy crap. One more? Alright. Nothing. Nothing. Forget it. Oh, good. Oh, another one. Ah, $50. No. Look what I got. I got the $50 with the wheel. All right. 7, 17. All right. So that's still good. That's still $100 I won, right? 60. That's good. $128. I'm up to 200. Nice comeback. Damn. I'm the queen of comeback tonight, aren't I? All right, that's it. A wheel. Oh. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I got extra spins down to 171, and I got the extra spins. I hate this one. I mean, I don't hate it, but oh, $6 to start. Okay, that's a good one. Let me get big numbers at least. Not these 50-cent ones. At least give me $2, $3, $4. Oh, probably not. Oh, minor. Okay, $20 for the minor. Last one. Okay. All right. That's 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, $30 I got. Okay. All right. So that brings me up to 200. Okay. All right. It's a nice little comeback. Okay. Give it a little bit more spins. I'm gonna go for 176. I like to get the blue one. Oh my God, did I get all 3 of them? I don't know, did I? At 170, I got all 3 of them. Oh my God. Shit, 176, okay. I mean, I would have played a 264, but I didn't think anything was gonna happen. Holy friggin' cow, look at this. Wow, 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 wow. I think this could be really good. I'm not exactly sure how it goes. I think you gotta fill up the tiles, right? Is that correct? You gotta fill up the colored tile. Let me see. All right, so I think I gotta get the blue on the bottom. Is that right? I don't know. Oh, yeah, see that? Oh, that's 5 times right there. Oh my God, and I got that at 4 times. Ooh, okay, this could be decent, 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 decent. Okay, so I gotta get here. That would be another 5 for the green down there. Oh, come on, fill them up. Oh, okay, I got that too. That one too. That's another 5 times over there. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't believe I got the best one. I got all 3 of them. Oh my goodness. I need one more here. Ah, are they all 5s? Oh, pretty much. Oh, that's a 2 up there. Okay. 5 and 5. Oh, so 2 spot. Oh, I need to get one. Come on. I good. Oh, that we trigger. Oh, I got that 5 times also. Up there. Oh, okay. Oh, that one's done. Okay, I still got 2 spins left here. Last spin. Come on. All right, all right, all right. Oh, wow, look at that. Nice. Okay. That's not bad, right? 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. I might hit $100. I might hit $100. Oh, 100, over 115, 35. Wow, $137. Nice. Wow. Oh, man. Okay, I am very... I'm not gonna give my money back to that. Okay, 315. Excellent.